Hey socialites, welcome back. And if you're new, I'm Ariell. I do mainly beauty videos, fragrance, and a little bit of lifestyle. So if you enjoy watching those type of videos, I would love for you to hit the subscribe button and come join the family. In today's video, we're going to be talking about 8 fragrances that are perfect for spring. These are fragrances that I'm super excited to be wearing this season. I've actually been wearing most of these this season already. Starting off with the fragrance that that I've worn more than anything else that we're going to be talking about today. This one is a Glossier You Fluer. So pretty. I've used half of her already. You probably can't see through here. I've been having this maybe about a year so far, maybe a little less, girl, and she smells so good. This is one of those Your Skin But Better fragrances, ambroxan, heavily musky scents, but there's florals in here that make it sweeter and gives it a little bit more of a feminine edge than the other Glossier You perfumes. Extremely long wearing and definitely projects. Like, they will definitely be able to smell you. Such a compliment getter. People love this when I wear it, y'all. So fresh. It gives like the feels. It gives everyday feels, but it definitely gives like those spring flowers, fresh feels. Perfect spring fragrance if you want something that's not too offensive, that's everyday wearable. I really like this one, y'all. I'm a Glossier You fan, by the way. Next up is from Chanel. This one is Chanel Chance Tendre, I think that's what it's called. And I don't wear this that much. This sort of reminds you of like a more elevated version of Glossier You. So it's also like a musky, I wouldn't really say Your Skin But Better, because this one is a little bit more perfumey, super strong. This one's even stronger than Glossier You. If you know anything about Chanel perfumes, they don't play. Like, Chanel wants you to know that she walked into a room, but this one just gives sort of like pretty girl, classy vibes. It smells very fresh and clean, heavily musky though. So this is one you definitely want to try before you buy both of them. You want to try before you buy, but fresh, clean feels. So this one gives me sort of those spring vibes. It's a little sweet, but not crazy sweet. It's more like fresh and musky than anything else. Definitely gives clean girl aesthetic, in my opinion. And this next one is from Burberry. This one is Burberry Her London, and this is a freshie as well. Oh, so pretty. This one is sort of perfumey, fresh, a little musky. Something in here is a little tart and citrus-like. Another perfume that's spring in a bottle, definitely everyday wearable, and it has a presence to it. So far, all 3 of these perfumes are kind of strong. Like, these aren't like faint, soft perfumes. If you like a perfume that lasts all day and has a presence to it, that's what these will give you. And if you like fresh, because this is so fresh, so pleasant, she will get a lot more wear out of me this season. And next up is a new one. We talked about this on April Favorites. This one is Ripe from Henry Rose. This is a bright, fruity fragrance. Strong, a tiny musky. There's not a lot of musk in here. So far, this is the sweetest one out of all the perfumes we've talked about. She's strong, projects, and everything. This is one of the strongest Henry Rose fragrances that I've ever tried. So pleasant, so pretty. I feel like this is a mass appealing scent. So if you like clean and sweet, this is your girl. So I have another one that sort of gives clean and sweet. Well, I would say like beachy and sweet. This one is the new Dolce & Gabbana Light Blue. I'm gonna put her away. I feel like every video I have to mention this. This is the newest flanker from Dolce & Gabbana Light Blue line. I think it's the Parfum. I always say it's the one with the gold around it so you don't get mistaken, but you get that sort of beachiness, or yeah, like a sunset, like walking on the beach with a sunset. That's what this gives me. But it's sweeter than the original Dolce & Gabbana, which makes it way more up my alley, y'all. So pretty. This is stunning. Definitely can wear it every day for spring, summer. Feels like vacation in a bottle. Next perfume is from Roja. This is my only Roja Parfum. This is Roja Elixir, and she smells divine. I barely wear this, y'all, because she was so expensive that and typically that's not me, but she also smells so fancy. This is what I wear to the Derby, and I pretty much reserve it for that. So when I smell it, that's what I think about. But it smells so fresh. This one smells like money in a jar. It smells very rich and elegant. It's a little sweet. It's sort of perfumey. It also feels kind of nostalgic, like those 90s perfumes. Like, you remember how in the 90s the perfumes were sort of perfumey, kind of like Lancome Idole-ish? It gives you that sort of DNA like that, but just much smoother, much more refined, a little sweet. There's some florals in here, and ultra elegant, y'all. This is just like prim and proper elegance in a bottle. Next perfume, similar to Roja Elixir. I barely wear her because it's just so expensive, but girl, we are over it. I need to just wear these every day. This one is from Louis Vuitton, and it is Symphony. Now, this is one of the more unique perfumes I have in my collection because it's grapefruit heavy. I don't think I have any other perfumes that's like a grapefruit forward perfume. This one is musk and grapefruit. I feel like equally musky as that grapefruit note. It's a little sweet, but not crazy sweet, and it smells very fresh. Really pretty, and for me, this is also like spring in a bottle. And last is another perfume that we also talked about in April favorites, and it's the newest flanker to Lancome Idole's line, and this is Lancome Idole Peaches and Roses, and that's what it is. It's like a perfumey scent. Oh my goodness, smells so good. It's bright, it's fruity from a peach, like a bright fruity peach. And then you get that rose note in there. So vibrant and sweet. This is probably the most upbeat and fun fragrance from the Idole line. Spring and summer is what this is. I love it. So that's it for my spring lineup, y'all. Comment down below. Let me know what perfume is your favorite for spring. Everything I mentioned, I'll have linked down below in the description box. So be sure to check that out if you're looking to shop. And if you're new here, welcome. I would love for you to come join the family by hitting the subscribe button. Thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you on the next one.